Mesre obi a wo hwe me ne otie me. Mesre bloggers nyina hye. Me pa Ghana fo enyina achew. Me kasa eho ante. Me pa obi bia achew. Onfa nche me se me nso me nipa. Me pa me ma nyina achew. Omonfa nche me se me nso papa me nipa. Na ebi ensibiem.
It takes a brave man to say I'm sorry. Bema power because I'm sorry and easy. It is a Bema to me I'm sorry, me respecting him. Yes, he has done well. At least we're inform so. Wakase ni oye no kasa no wankan wapa ne yere chaw, wapa ne machaw, wapa even bloggers ye nyina chaw, wapa Ghana chaw, oso anye ni ye or sofo nti na say omelo. Interview no ye no nya se bia nim wankase ye because me tie interview no ensem bia wo kan no na me bisabu kura so afono me. Ultimate catch out say now ex husband wa bon to say dia wa bon na nti ultimate ntronwom. Hello, hi, Expose GH, Bacho FM Bembros, Bacho. Subscribe, no be sunya be share. Me buy a video be about your mommy or Papa Christy and the ex-husband, Papa Love. Na video no na she ye pa me can say Papa Love wan kasa ye. Be kind so wan kasa ye na me so okutie me video no to ho so wan kasa ye. Na anopai me hu ya me so the chawapa aba. A chawapan pese ekutie ye wi a be kan wasem enkomra.
Mesre obi a wo hwe me ne otie me. Mesre bloggers nyina hye. Me pa Ghana fo enyina achew. Me kasa eho ante. Me pa obi bia achew. Onfa nche me se me nso me nipa. Me pa me ma nyina achew. Omonfa nche me se me nso papa me nipa. Na ebi ensibiem. Onyame agya, onyame oba. Onyame sunsun konkron dim. Amen. Obi bia one be matie. Tritini ye, one oba atia tritini ye. Me fa Kristi no me boa no. Ne nyom tuo mu me boa no. Akwantusem mu me boa no. Me fa no from scratch. Enso rade na me so ehira no. Ono na wose onyimaya. De mabusuafo ne nkofo kan se onyankopon ena enhira no. Ebefri ne ho aba ono na reto ewo no monte se mene no kasa biem anase na ba social media we kan ho asem boni bia biem onyankopon hira obia onyame hira obia mepa obi bia acho momfa ncheme nyame hira obia de ntia ma me ba life no mawie nyame hira obia medamase bye bye.
You say to err is human, to forgive is divine. It means that any pay the for me home. It's your Papa Love. It takes a brave man to say I'm sorry. Bema power because I'm sorry and easy. It is a Bema to me I'm sorry, me respecting him. Yes, he has done well. At least we're inform so. Wakase ni oye no kasa no wankan ye, wapa ne yere chaw, wapa ne machaw, wapa even bloggers ye nyina chaw, wapa Ghana chaw. Oso anye ni ye or sofo nti na se omelo enti ni okan no yeso agina so pem se be ye papa next time no bibi basa so wakuma because be ma de enye so wakuma e wosoro sa na me ho video be of ye nua oba Papa Christy ekwa odidi rough be you see oba Christy oba Papa Christy ensem na Papa Love kind a serious and indictment on your career if you don't know you are reverend a woman of God. And I want Antonium. Papa Love so wakoju obi kunu eyamba. Papa Love so do baby no afa oto eyamba. Enti when ya dia odi be dia gro. Papa Love why the honorable thing. Ama wapacha. What have you done about it? Because you should also go and apologize for the interview that you did because that was a nasty interview. Interview now yeah no nya se bia nim wan kase ye because me tie interview no ensem bia wo kan no na me bisabu kura so afono me ultimate catch out say now ex husband wa bon to say dia wa bon na nti ultimate ntronwom eti wa na wo kasa asem no na nyame hwe wanim ana wo kasa asem na ekọ wanum wanya de asem na kan no mesa kwatie na mu se Chrissy wanya de do me kondoninia Papa Love kan no ba wo wanya de because so we call interview you see and nothing I say where is their management team because before you can even go to interview first of all you need to coach your artists the things that questions are he's even expected. Ebimukwe go as far as contacting whoever is going to do the interview. Now more a line of questions. Near UBF market was I had there and call. Open now no baba for interview. And when your partner say, "Upia was a manager no, now you may be on boy. One manager wa bon." Aye, because so no kasa na kaka ni nyina na hu hia. O buy for two purposes. First of all, why you reverend? Onyumi enko. Iti nyum no na esa nka ba be ka ho asem. Na ba bia wo dan ko ene de. Ehu hia. Ti sa rof na na ma wo ye na emwa. Video bi say oh yeah video bi. Kisa I don't know. Say rof ne kan life but emwa. Oh you serious artist you behave seriously. So management ultimate culture behave like a woman of God. Najai said near me because your lifestyle is questionable. Yes. Conform a brain who lifestyle as questionable. I am not my judge ben conform judge wrongly. Because of Subai and no Kasabi or Kasanitino. People see you say you are not even serious. Me pacho, baby our cast am not question jai. Sa rough now we no massa. And then I who is how or chana table net Danny. And I be America. Me say bia. Woni Papa Love we no na enye ba Papa Love betumi ahia obi sane awo ahia obi a ofefe na no na yeso obi kunu na ofefe na no sa na Papa Love olos betumi ahia ne dofo a ebekọ yie enti enyina ba bi na nka se wo ho so ho nyame ahira wo nyame ni nhira na eba miensa ebi de ya ahomache ebi de awia na ebi de enyibi ebi ade na ba ahomache awia de na ebi na Papa Love ni awa no me bon sema o watch say we be ma Chrissy enough. Because one case I would dinye. To now what's no ever him. I expose you chef members. But also subscribe, no be sunya be here. Manuel, bye bye.